What's up, YouTube? It's your boy back with another banger, man. It's been a minute, you feel me? It's been a fat minute, but you know what I'm saying? Your boy is back. We coming back strong for 2021. You know what I'm saying? I just need to take a little break to get myself ready for the new year, you feel me? Hey man, I'm telling you, this new year is finna be crazy, guys. It's finna be crazy. I got so much content ideas, I got so much in store, guys. Y'all gonna see in the new year, man. But that's besides the fact, you know what I'm saying? In today's video, we're gonna be talking about the best sneakers to resell in January 2021. Now, guys, I know you guys have been seeing all the sneaker posts on Instagram, all the sneaker pages, you know what I'm saying, been posting all the drops for January 2021. It's looking like a good month, you feel me? So I'm gonna let you guys know what's the best drops coming this month, what's the best shoes to flip, and the shoes is gonna make you the most amount of money that's gonna be dropping this upcoming month. Now, if you guys are new to the channel and you do like sneaker resale content like this, or if you even just like sneaker content, make sure you guys go down below, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, you know what I'm saying? It really helps the channel out. And comment down below saying what's your favorite shoe off of this list. Let's get straight into the video. Alright guys, to start off this month on January 9th, the Jordan 1 Volt Golds are gonna be dropping for $170 US. These are also gonna be dropping in GS sizes for $130 US. Now, both of these should be very, very profitable, and as you guys know, GS sizes are usually more profitable than the adult sizes, so I will keep my eye out on those as well. But there is probably going to be a lot of pairs released out to the market, so you do have a good chance of getting your hands on these shoes when they do drop. Now, although there is going to be a lot of pairs on the market, I would not sleep on these, you know what I'm saying? I do see resale value being there just because it is a Jordan 1, and you know what I'm saying, it's a pretty decent colorway. Let me know what you guys think about this colorway in the comment section below. Alright guys, now on January 13th, we have the SB Dunk Low Street Hawkers that are going to be dropping. I've been seeing pictures of these circulate throughout the internet, you know what I'm saying, circulate over Instagram, all that. I seen the pictures, bro. Just automatically, these are some heat, bro. It's just crazy. It's a crazy shoe, bro. But I do see these having extreme resale value with great margins. These are definitely gonna be going for a bag. Now, they are probably gonna retail for either 100 or 110 US. We don't have that confirmed yet. But when these do drop, guys, you know what I'm saying, you definitely gonna want to go all in for these. Now, on January 14th, we do have the Dunk Low Black dropping in women's exclusive sizing. Now, I have seen a lot of people say these are either gonna be on the 14th or the 7th. So make sure you guys do just keep an eye out for that, you know what I'm saying? Just keep an eye out for both dates. But these shoes should be reselling for $100 US and will be very, very profitable, just like all the dunks are gonna be dropping this month, you know what I'm saying? It's a lot of dunks dropping in 2021, but these are definitely gonna be very, very profitable. Of course, because it's a very, very wearable colorway. When it's in a women's exclusive sizing, you can definitely expect the bigger sizes to go for the bigger bag, you know what I'm saying? Because a lot of men are gonna wanna get their hands on these pairs. Now, also on January 14th or the 7th, we do have the Dunk Low Coast dropping. Now, this is the baby blue pair I was talking about. This pair is nice as well. It's also gonna be in women's exclusive sizing, so as you guys know, men are gonna wanna get their hands on these pairs. So bigger sizes are probably gonna go for a better bag than the smaller sizes. Well, no, probably on this pair, I see smallest and biggest sizes going for the most, just because I do see a lot of women wearing this light blue pair, and I also see a lot of guys trying to get their hands on these as well. Now, these are going to be retailing for $100 US as well, and you know, besides what I just said, all sizes are going to go for some money, so make sure you try for all and every single size. And lastly, on January 14th, we do have the Dunk Low UNLV dropping for $100 US. Now, this is one of my favorite pairs because, you know, so as you guys know, my favorite color is red. This red just kind of hit different, but it's kind of like it's accented off of a gray panel too as well. This is a nice shoe, but all these dunks are gonna be going for a bag, so make sure you guys go crazy on this date. It's gonna be hard to try to keep your focus on 3 different pairs of shoes dropping at once, but you gotta try for these, bro, because this is, you know what I'm saying, if you hit all 3, bro, you gonna get paid with this, man. Now, all these shoes will be very profitable with great profit margins, you know what I'm saying? So make sure you guys keep your eyes out for these first few days in January. Now, on January 16th, we have the Jordan 13 Starfish dropping for a retail of $190 US. Now, in my opinion, this is just gonna be for personal use only. Maybe you can get a few bucks if you do sell locally, but that's it. Don't sell stockings because you are gonna be taking an L. If you can get some local sales, probably on Facebook, offer up, something like that, then, you know what I'm saying, do your thing. But if you can't do that, man, I would just get these for personal. Now, to end the month on January 30th, we do have the Jordan 9 University Golds. Now, these are gonna be dropping for $190 US, and like the other Jordans, I would just say go for personal on these, no resale intentions, because resale is probably going to be very, very low. You might be able to get something off of local sales, but I doubt it really. I would just take the personal for these shoes, like I said, guys. You know what I'm saying? If you're if you're into this colorway. Also on January 30th, we do have the Jordan 3 Cool Gray dropping for $190 US. And just like the other Jordans, I would say go personal for these as well. Now we do have some shoes left over that do not have a confirmed release date as of yet, but as you guys know, I will keep you updated throughout the month when these do get a confirmed release date, and I'm gonna make the how to cop guys for each and every pair of these shoes. The Nike Dunk Thank You for Caring is supposedly supposed to be dropping this month for $110 US. Now these are crazy as well, guys. If these do drop, bro, it's gonna be a lot of money to be made in the first month of the new year. I can expect these to be very limited and go for a pretty big bag, you know what I mean? Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you guys did enjoy today's video, make sure you guys do go down below, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button for more content like this in the future. And also let me know how I did on my return, bro. You know what I'm saying? Did I come back? You know what I'm saying? We coming back strong 2021. No worries. You know what I'm saying? We going up. Hey man, it's been your boy, and I'm out.